Ghana year be angaza
2012.
Oh, Konamo industry mo design.
Model.
All of a sudden, no to be journey free musa.
Most South Africa. Yeah, share movies so but yen fa CD shape.
You one cook ankoto.
Oh, there be you will never go to South Africa. But say yeah, ton CDs. Those days no. Oh, now to say. Those no obia bobi din Agya Koo na say still pass me see. And I went boa there na. That's why na we adwuma bia.
Na just when we ntwa. And just me pe camera back on. Enye sad no.
David. The marketing strategy yeah
the producers, the directors, industry players illiteracy and that's a lack of knowledge.
Lack of knowledge. But yen share how I like him. If far there no they call YouTube. Who say, hey, the YouTube is paying. Industry was saying YouTube is bigger for them. Movie festivals almost million. Now they are also or my selecting movie no. Now or say or screening movie or amount $10,000 for just that festival.
Oh movie are they be Elubo.
Wajua say you got ye chichinkula ni wie bibia wa first kana mamia wajua wallahi
your friend Poleeno obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone so I know where you are. I'm sure they tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy enter way a 0. I rate be a best and be a Lemfi enter way. Now any just a woman say and now hear me video. Say your first time now download the Lemfi go smartphone so Poleeno promo code. That is Poleeno. Lemfi so no rate no such all the other apps. Into my catcher so you see Lemfi they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money. And that's what me send the bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make sure it's a Poleeno. So what countries are mobile boss now? Download the Lemfi. Now you should never send this car. Ebe boa ye. Say the miso aboa me no. Download the Lemfi or App Store and now say Play Store.
Yango. Well, it's a wonderful day, and we are here once again. At Babidi and Komo. This time we are going to talk about movies. You have a casino once a man casa. Me the Fresh Boy Papa J Poleeno Multimedia. And then one of the industry players in Asia or a director or a producer or an actor and an yes. Now no industry na nyamiadum o two kwan ko share ko boy and kisa ko di dollar na waba. Obayan so awamakwa or the niama pa e de abre e Ghana for. But before say be won dey or dey aba no. So Canada, UK, or Germany, or USA, or France, Italy, Portugal, Ireland. Now all send this car at the Abrebusia for Ghana. Use Lemfi, never send this car Fabra. Lemfi says the first time I was send there, Obama cash back. Sounds so now promo code here Poleeno, Obama cash back. Who send this car? Lemfi so until she a free or money with a best rate on the money transfer market. See a Play Store, App Store, and download the app on. Never send this car Abrebusia for. Lemfi kwan na send this car or they be account home. Wow, young corner any director, producer, executive producer, OA, Nana OA, any uncle Nana Boko there.
Charlie, Bibia Boko.
Charlie, I know. I know. Mobile Zana, Mama feel you. What's the last time say you share way back last year?
Yeah, last year.
Last year.
Yeah, last year.
Yeah.
I think it was stadium.
Oh, stadium, yeah. Now we are so corner over.
Yeah.
A lot everybody.
Yep.
Now Kumawood movie industry.
Yeah, number Kumawood.
Oh, okay.
Number Kumawood, but I kind of Ghana movie industry.
Yeah, we Ghana movie industry. Yeah. Oh, na dia na we game.
Match will be our way.
Yeah.
Match me then Chiabema US for Connecticut, Maryland, New Jersey, New York.
Wow.
Say Masa akọ down home to Houston. Match Houston for.
And I'm assuming Massachusetts for.
Massachusetts, yeah.
In Columbus, Ohio. Fantastic.
Obatampa, Michia.
Wow.
Me what say, make us start as a production assistant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me high school 2004, 2005, and I'm in industry.
Oh, okay.
To be started from the scratch as production assistant.
Wow.
I'm working my way up.
Wow.
It's maybe free had here. I'm a director and a producer.
be free Ghana no.
Be free Ghana.
No director production be na we here and we free Ghana ko.
Okay, me were Miracle Films in same for all these years.
Oh, okay.
From 2005 to 2012, 13.
Okay.
Yeah, 12, 13. Yeah, until now me were Miracle Films. Productions need a dozen.
Wow.
A dozen.
Wow.
Yeah. Hey, me kasa me boba.
Bebre.
Bebre. That Miracle Films ni na.
Yeah, na o share actually. Okay. Who be free Ghana no? Who free Ghana year be yangaza?
Be free 2012. 2012, yeah.
Oh, kona mo industry mo design.
Me kona more de.
Ne more de.
I don't like to. That one na jana na so.
Oh, okay.
Na jana na so kwa na strong. Na ni na jina Kumasi.
Okay.
Yeah, na ni na jina Kumasi. Ti na mu ye.
You that time na CD era no. Na niema cost production obi a strong industry no pa.
Yeah, na CD era. Na strong. Let me say West Africa there that time no. West Africa.
Yeah.
Na Kumasi na jana na so at that time.
Yeah.
Ti na obi a industry no be from production assistant to the executive producer. No be any je
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, that time na your corset so every week be you know your corset so yeah, that time it was very good.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I journey the NSC ma we waje say industry awo mu a e ko da kama na utimi all of a sudden utimi journey free musa adan.
Okay, unse abrabon e boko ye nim. So what I say, I stand like unyini na osua na omafofo. So akwanya bi by Emma me call South Africa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me dey kind call South Africa. Because one or two short courses be. Right. A bit of movie industry no more. E been so the other make us a maritime industry.
Okay.
Yeah. Inti emu hona true hona inti make us me ko sua ade.
Oh, okay.
Ko sua ade. Enye say be I'm sorry ya na me here there. Because they said me buy am say the new one buy. So you ko sua ade. I dey be boa your friend say your industry. Temu me take this decision. No matter what. Ye engineer ho say and then fidie na ba bebre technology. Right. So when sua nkra na ba mo say pa o ma be pa ho. So you ko sua ade. Tanya say you too kind just like that.
Oko ye no. Wo fi na industry ni okay.
Yeah.
But oko ye no. O te say industry ni conform. O te so te say Ghana in the commercial movies and as Ghana movie industry conform. O te.
Yeah, me te.
And what say you know who say I know say sadi we na ye na nye nti ni say industry be do baby no e be say
meet me aka say me te but yeah some who say that time no although now we are together but now we are not together. Now we are together but now and share that strong to say the na say person you kind boom nti decision be na that time so make say na me share that na me swawom. Okay. So what I say nti e dey na ka obeka me nim cry dey na ka obeka campaign for no be tie. What I say bit make say the first year na me call South Africa me hu ye me hu say sadi we beto ya bibi ba me hu ye. You know there are other guys directors be me no mu din komo e be catch them say sadi we me hu bi wa ha say sadi we happy wa ha say sadi we omo nya no wa ha say but obi abu na ni go so. So what I said me ka say me hu say sadi na ba yeah maybe your next question is going to be like there na man buy
be say and be say obeka say okay me hu say sadi we baba wo an kan na mabusa mabusa say hu den na wo foresee hu say ade we na make one seven no e be happen den na hu e ma office a problem no.
Okay, so say obekai da started say wo hwe DSTV so obekai wo kun say wo hwe DSTV obekai
DSTV say me transfer pass me
transfer wo hwe ebia wo hwe Mnet Movie Magic Super Sport
me pa de me kai
unsa ache very good
ache.
me kai bet me aka say around primary primary 6 by GSS and I start ache start say hwe DSTV, Mnet. No
Yeah.
bisa you say saa no ma we na CD ana. Say na nye CD. Na na mufra mem. Saa nkofo no omo hu ya che.
Yeah.
So omo were way ahead than us. Inti me what I say, me South Africa, hold on. You share movies so but yen fa CD in shape. But yes at your fee.
I will share.
And I will share. Or moving a back out, new one. Over share one from him.
Yeah.
A TV, but share one from him. It's like, oh wow, this is nice.
One cook uncle talk.
Oh, there be uncle Kejetia. Oh, you will never go to South Africa. Say, Ubo won't say, yeah, ton CDs. That those days,
no. That time they chase cassettes ni CDs no.
Who be? Wow. Unless you say, sorry to say, the omo tragu no. Yeah, Ghana for the Nigeria for the and square foreigners. And yes, Adam. But the Chrome Hangasano, you will never see that. So me who say, hey, I think say there's something baby Boba free. There's going to be a year to come and I say some days to come and Saturday will be happening. Into a mumu here. So now Mnet, Super Sports, movie magic, Zanzi magic, you know. And no started from way back. Yeah. No, and I think you. So what I say. So we unim Iroko TV.
Yeah.
The time it started around 2010, 20. Yeah. Those into almost angle phone who here. Into sa information na be boy you know. Ebi anka ho.
Ghana for ya
yeah.
Never hit here
once.
Wow.
So what I say. Into wo now to say no say no obi abobi din Agya Koo na say stipa so mesi na we mbu ade na sa suban na we adwuma bia. Yeah. But your marketing strategy no yeah hu ntem.
So the okay there it's not like blaming someone and Agya so anyway ntwa and Agya say me pe camera back Agya say yan use camera na producer we say enye sa de no.
Debi enye sa. And yes, sir. Yeah, no meeting my account. There na ho.
Yeah.
So what I say? Yeah. So we call the banking system, man. So I meeting my account.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what it? We call the health industry and it's a system, man. It be ho. But won't it? So what I say? But in the end, because yeah, visual, audio, into maybe because we are out. Yeah. So what I say? It's no money na ho. Ewo bia they see here no they course no it wasn't about that. Wow. Your marketing system yeah hu ni ntem. Yeah no ye mbisa ye ho say other countries no they to ye na bi to one ana
they are still going on go shoot it.
Exactly.
Yeah,
exactly. Intend na enye no
the okay the Ebeka say na your producers your directors industry players ni na is it say illiteracy and I said lack of knowledge. Me can you use illiteracy and I said lack of knowledge to you. And I'm obedient me and thinking do that far now.
Me better me can in such a way I me go to Obiana so.
I mean share Obiana but me kind of say yeah say san and bayana.
Yeah, a lack of knowledge.
Oh, okay.
A lack of knowledge because still cry and no tear because of work and different thing. So what I say. So that means if I call on yen who but yen share how I like him. If far they no more they call YouTube. Who say, hey, the YouTube is paying. Who said the rates are feeding go for chagum? Yeah. Exactly.
But it has been there since.
Since
YouTube has been there since. Wow.
So what I say?
So just 2020, 19, 2018 one
exactly. But now what that.
Yeah.
Now imagine Facebook that.
Facebook way back, yeah.
But now go for the Facebook edit to the movies to Facebook so in Nigeria for no. Yeah. The Facebook call other countries now. The movies to Facebook so what I say. Tina say ya na ebe hu ye. It made me say lack of knowledge. What I say. The mechanic say ye too pon ye ko ye nimu no na say ye lay back oh ye crow no so ye pese de bia no obi kofa ba obi di free baby ba na ye sua na ye bi aya de lack no ye anka say ye be go forward and say ye be hwehwe ye be ready ye be find out say ade we ye nse no we won't do that It is nipa ko ne de ba na nipa ko ne try so I won't say na afede ya ni abre and I say ya start.
What's still the problem is still there because for now no ye nyina say obia ni e wo YouTube ho no fi say o de ade ne to a ho ko na amonfo betimi ahwe kakra bi so na patronize the Facebook and other platforms no e wo ba bi wo ho no ma e bia omani nko ho wo say wo so omani ko ansa na later no YouTube no so ba ye bibia omaka say aha so kra no ye ni amehwe ha o na o senke ni sa kokosha to you are what to kwan ne ohun things or other part of the world no attention will be also almost sign over from two or kokosha ho
Yeah, Mecca say, yeah, for your industry, why I say YouTube is bigger for them or to them.
For now, no.
For now, no. But
make
man say any kitu mukra.
Maybe YouTube na my mom for this
YouTube na any kitu mukra. What you say? Yeah.
Wow. Sorry. Apayana.
Ampai.
Sorry for that one.
No, it's fine. YouTube yeah kitu because yeah say ode to YouTube. Uko try the anyway. Ode to YouTube. This enko for share.
Yes.
Running so the you know when cent na ba be can boom. Yes, me can say niska.
Yeah.
What I say.
Yeah.
But yes, Samsung trend is say so what try we na ode to movie festivals so almost your movie festivals almost millions your friends saying we are say now they are to so na o ma selecting movie no festival by selecting movie no na or say or screening movie no amount $10,000 for just that festival it yan fan say 10 afa na o mu na amount 10.
Wow.
I know obinya. And only just the festival.
Festival no kwano.
Only just the festival. 10
festivals. Let's select two movie and a Jew movie here they kwa $10,000, 10,000 sa 10.
Yeah. Me fan is say o de obi amount 10. Ebi kura ma bro sa.
Yeah.
Ebi so ma lesser. It depended festival na o de ko no. What I say. And I say amount 5,000. I ha say the wetwa movie I can see a budget ne was na excuse me say be 50,000. I say you know.
Abro so be 100,000.
O de fans 100,000.
Yeah.
What I say. Na your mouse as kana ansa na festival na we no. Now there are other like I say streaming networks. Ebi ne Netflix.
Yeah.
You be say on how many movies Ghana for movies are in Netflix. So what I say, that's where these are the places that we have to push our industry.
Yeah. Director me can say nana o me no ka say ono ka festival ni movie ba ku bi aba no den ni t-shirt na shame no even Lubo new product or the eba Saturday ye premiere Golden Eagle Kumasi City Mall cinema or na ye premiere that movie no ono ka say no make up movie festivals wako wiase mu ha ebe je wonsa oh yesuade o see it's not only the YouTube na mo de bia mo ni ambre na YouTube platforms ni nyama bebre wo ho aya no betime di wo ho kra nsana we nu kwa ye aba so festival select movie ahwese no sky working kwa no kwa or roughly so what you say it o movie a o de be Elubo a o de be also plans in the same o de be premier na Ghana ha na so akwakoda na me pese ye hu baby a so de ne kwane ye hu ye ni wachi
o fe premier na akwakoda na ansana movie ye be premier so be kaya movie no twan last year yeah na me twa no na me catch characters ne wo so ni na obi a o take part in na say movie no omon to omo bo mama I know what I want to use the movie for.
Okay.
It is a twa movie ni wie. Na say who movie no on YouTube. And I who movie no on screen bia so man don't make say man nye hu na say and worry about it. I know what I'm doing.
Twa movie last year director Yakob Bresa movie no ka wantimi ampa you be the canon no.
Exactly. Yeah, me kai say people were calling me. Na say wo ko Ghana ko twa sin na be bada ben. Yeah. Na we were working on it.
Yeah.
I actually want na me nim the movie no pesa me dey.
Yeah.
And me dey me they call movie festival said the American. Yeah. You started free ho. We started free ho.
Okay.
That to me, I know say, and as a maker say, that's the stepping stone because at the movie festival, no, obe hundi obe can cry say a movie, koyese kan ho.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
Obe hundi obe catch say movie no, ebia a flat. Obe hundi obe catch say movie no, subtitle no, yen say fa bi kan ho.
Yeah.
Me wo letter ba ko ha. Omo ka say minye your friend say French subtitle.
Oh, okay.
If I can, me wo ba ko ha omo ka say minye Spanish.
Wow.
Because they also want to screen the movie.
Oh, okay.
Now on what you say.
Wow.
That's the first stepping stone. I said, yeah, then you're starting to do so. Then after that, I almost bear almost 12 nominations, another 12 screening, and I mean a movie.
Elubo no.
Elubo.
What they call
12 film festivals.
Wow.
And wiki biba. Because my distributed our film festivals.
Okay.
Almost, if I'm not going to lie, almost bear over 200 and something film festivals.
Film festivals, yeah, okay. Ghana film festivals and now saying because okay film festivals film festivals and okay. Because the anyone say you're trying to yakoto na boso me kakra na yakoji wasan the anyone no.
We there or say or true for say dance ni wa buchi say wo hwe we a already we
Africa USA International Film Festival.
Very good.
We nya yenimo.
Very good. We 2 film festivals a o maka bom. Ba kon US and ba kon France. We France. US there no so there's a letter there.
Wow.
Almost screening. Ti we mu and a chro me ka chem say omu hia subtitle am pese omu yi no
film festival no.
Wow. Film festival.
Which and so omu jiri keke they are paying.
They are paying. They will give you say they are screening your movie.
Chita ben pan industry pa why pan enti obetima brainstorming nkofo industry de bia de omu no yakotwa na ewie YouTube asano mada no makotwa omu planning hu say senye YouTube crampo na film festival no kwa betima mo gigi
Eno kwa no ebe wie film festival ni nyina no from abia 2024 to 2025 from na usika no ekra
what to ka bro so anyamfa so gigi
na usika ne kwa ansa na
hey
film festival can take your movie way sankofo way sorry film festival way now almost any other film festival now they are fighting for the movie to give it out to Netflix, Hulu, Amazon.
Talking about this Elubo.
This
Elubo movie. Yeah, premiere on Saturday
yeah.
Kumasi City Mall, Golden Eagle Cinema. No?
Yep. Film festival, air fighting on it right now.
Wow. Movie no. Elubo. Why no movie no. No say pictures me that but today. Yemo bosso.
Elubo cast no. Make say you nim Ghana for nim. Your senior brother. Agete Anan.
Oh, Pusha. Oh, okay.
Pusha
wow.
Yeah, Kasum scenario.
Oh, okay. So, or ambassador to Spain.
They say I ambassador to Spain.
Wow.
It make I say me moving on. Me moving on.
You could premiere of Spain.
I be cost Spain. Moving me cost Spain, but me moving the last movie try yeah.
Oh. They call. Oh yeah, moving on
try movie.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah. On one sanga catch them.
Wow.
You know, me ne din come.
Kasum scenario Pusha.
Mr. Beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Mr. Beautiful. Benedict Agafa.
Wow.
Gafa kan.
Wow.
Me anka sanga so me twa.
Oh, okay. Dr. Likee wo.
Oh. Need the number say me tobo. Need the tobo. Need the tobo.
Wow.
Me introduce Akola. I know play main character.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or say adwuma or Adom TV. Say Adom Mre Nkola.
Program.
Very talented. Very talented. Yeah, me introduce you know. Ena yanga sanga say na ya de Dr. Likee.
Wow. Yeah. They say superstars movie pa. Yeah.
And imagine say script way. Na sankofo. You dey hwenkofo na e line omo app no. Na say use omo. There's no way a script no. Bibi nima they will shoot the movie.
Yes. It tells you it's a very powerful script. Yeah. Wow. And then what be it's about time you good movies.
Exactly.
So we movie na F na good there were a lot of programs, festivals, seminars, benefits award scheme movies no participate here. How cry no betimi amonya more than obi which make a nice movie target our YouTube or the koto okra movie no na entime nya impact na na bemabu
After YouTube, after Premiere, what?
what
That's the
next
question.
that is it
What? And what bokegu? Would you use scan the try and one?
no
There should be something more to it. What I say? To omucha omunye omuntu omubu.
What's still a sua na yempese be sua ana eka bi wo ho obebo ni gidi ansa na o dey san ma we nyina
Oh, eka bi anhye da ni ho. Eka bi anhye da ni ho. Scan out the sini na right? After that, no we find out festival ben we sini and there are some festivals so they have a theme.
Okay.
ABR, we are trying to stop kidnapping. To say me movie. We are trying to ABR. We are promoting girl child education.
Yeah.
ABR, we are promoting stop AIDS or stop that kind of normal. AIDS is real. And
maybe a racism.
Racism, exactly. ABR, there's a festival. That's the theme. So you look for it, then you put your movie there.
So you have a movie being a follow line now.
What the them.
Wow.
So what I say? We have to do our research. Let's say find out a normal P.
Yeah.
We have to read, we have to learn.
Yeah.
Say this what you have There are so many things you have to do. The education part of it. So what I say? There are so many things around it. So okay, say now what's nasi? Then what is the essence of you shooting the movie?
I think say also ultimately a year seminar. Emma the movie makers, the industry players, also ultimately a year seminar. Now we educate you on this particular Nyama air custom because send a can they were producing and so much share got to Abama board. Ya copper board no, but some knowledge we in no. Or say omunya. We transfer the mom not show platforms say ha mama won hwe hanko a I think say we yes anke be bo this thing na mu dey but I stay mo try na brainstorming mass opportunities am for nsu na mo so movies na enter because ye movies na edit tree no you say as enko ba bia
is the best. The edit tree is the best. Sorry to say omo won kind no they are aware of it. And you say be a tree per se like the local
language,
the best, and that's what we call international.
Oh, okay.
So our movie, so be the in crime, so the dagomba, so the tree, so the infantile, na extra ekotoga international by your name. You can say English ones now you can, and only international.
Wow.
So all the English singing now they call, and only international. Although yes across the border, but with local language, or culture, the way are moving, set up, and normal basis to props in here, and you can say international.
Wow.
What I say?
Wow.
It's you tree near the yen shemu kenena subtitles no.
Yeah.
Yen fango. All the subtitles go and one no. Yeah. Titina na you hear Chinese movie ne Indian movie. Subtitles in the whole.
Yeah. Yes, yeah, it's true.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That then a movie into me and travel that into me ko.
You say ube blame why? Oshe local industry na directors, producers and actors, government and also oshe na ko o masa na we nyina koso. Why pa ni betima ga say why you be from the beginning na mana be do sa level.
Make us say na yeah, like I say, me being film, me directors in film, me producers in film, me government in film. So what I say, me actors in film. Say, yeah, come boom. I say, yeah, I said, you know what? This is where we wanna go. Say, baby, say na yeah, there's no way I ever say, baby, I say yeah, ebi amakwa share directors akwa share producers akwa share ayi na aka ya adwuma bom and I say ofu na aka o adwuma bom e na ba kon yi afa ho something different.
Yeah.
So what I say, still you guys will come back to square one now.
Yeah.
So what I say, Emma move forward.
Yeah.
To me, me be information I say ye ni na.
Yeah. The movie Elibo eno nti na ye dey enkomo no Elibo no ye premiere Saturday. Kumasi City mo Golden Eagle cinema. Obia mraba now grab a popcorn, be on a wife and now no family no matter cinema. A very nice movie. Artist a woman. You can see say omunyina experience actors and actresses for this particular.
Yeah.
Then a man movie way obeka say a good movie. And here Uncle for come was I was with festival Fabra festival. But then the man is so special.
Okay, so Ushe movie na movie ne titled Elubo.
A libo.
Yeah, Obi baby say why
A
Elubo?
libo. Yeah.
Obi nso onim Elubo no so because Elubo no say den.
Mhm.
Elubo no ye a border between Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire.
Yeah.
Oh. And why that place? Why the name Elubo? So yeah, they make Max say yeah, they a boy baako ekum enuma be mensa.
Okay.
You get it? You per se you create awareness. You create awareness. Some be kai nkra na omega say omo yira ya otakra de
Yeah.
2019.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
you say
Yeah.
ahwefo na etiefo omo be kai ya 2019 nkra miensa bi as nan bi ayira o takra de. Yeah. And se see so ko read Ghana web nkofo ahe na ayira e wo Ghana 601 2020 from 2021 ebe prim there 601
Wow.
and ayira e free Ghana.
System.
So me and I say me I make us me a movie maker, me a content creator. This is what I also want to do to help my continent, help my country in a whole, Ghana. So what I say, me person me bought the role. Actually, obi bia obehwe movie way. Me bought the role actually Ghana for ni na say, "Uma yembo yemba no ho ban." Uma yembo omo ho ban. Obi wo ho a or the neba ko si school. And I said taxi abefa and car abefa ne ba no eco school.
Yeah.
Akora ne mba time na akora ne de pon no time na so. Oti fie ka say oh me ba ne de kwan me ne akosua de omo pon school a omo di agro ti onya mba no. Hwehwe akora ne chi kwan. Opa afre school mu ho. Ade na me ba no on my time mo pon 2 abo 4 abo 5 ade na akora ne mba so what I say na school mu ho emma information.
Yeah.
Ebia omukwa ha ebia omukwa ha say ebia oh ya omapon dada o omapon dada ne bema to ho na mo o hwe bia akra ne wo nipa bone fo na doso
Yeah.
san kwala na make no up to now ye ntimi hu omo wo henfa say ye hu omo say hu omo so what I say
Yeah.
so as a movie maker Mr. Nas and I'm say do you know what I think there's something there's a story that I can tell Ghanaians. So this is how I want to also help my country.
Yeah.
It's a nothing I made Elubo. So the border Elubo no. The seminar buy no. So I'm going to say Nigerians be woman.
Yeah.
So what I say Nigerians be 2 or 3. So our borders no are we safe as a nation?
Nyame koso border lines.
Are we safe?
Yeah.
Elubo pen made too so, but have you checked Aflao? Togo border, Burkina border. But they make what are we safe?
Yeah.
Tell me guys here the a boba ekum no mami
Yeah.
Then the next one, the see no a yard dosun. You can say black market, human body black market. This ano man one a dosun.
Yeah.
Go for to 2 or 4 body parts.
Yes.
At the year no man. Watch Elubo.
Let's share with anyone. Wow.
Ebe bo akra no ho ban, ebe bo wo wo hwe na ebe bo ho ban.
Say bibi background wa hwe sa movie ni bia ebe prompt o.
Exactly. Won say yesusu ano. Yeah, average students no. Oh, say ade no ye hwe ni TV so e kan ye trim.
Yeah.
But wo be kira na ka say 1+2 na ye anhwe kan ye trim. Nti ade na ye be hwe na ye ni be hwe. Sa na ye pese ye.
Wow.
Nti ebusuan ni nyina tena se na mo hwe movie ni ka say hey akra na be kan ni trim. So be the car be si wanna say oh kwa chere ma dia wa say on for car no.
Oh okay.
But they make what ma say. It one stone in the kum in Umamiensa. And the third one esa yes several as an education. Amu bi bia school mo han school bia wa Ghana bia yes several as an education. Amu bia yen hwe ne yen ade o. Yen
hwe na yen sua ade ewom. Se say ya wo call ya wo san buy wo buy wo changes. Wo say industry no grow, niam asesa and I say still na no agro na na edi.
What the media you can wanna?
Oh, say everybody dey say udi fi baby na aba. Everybody enka ho. What I say? But
I
what
see me trying to
kwaba?
Ghana hire.
Wo twa na ya baby how I was twa no say na wo si ye no. Udi one kono way back near money bi. So what I say? The obehu ya na office enye no. Oba also be the same thing.
Man, be the same thing.
That means all the change.
Man, be the same thing.
Yes. It be oba ya obeto ye no. Uko ye no obeto ye no. Say na obehu no.
Yeah, so more. Okay, there are some movies be a share oh. My share movies be a me free titles no. My share a top notch. A wasro. Movie no wasro. What I say? But you will be so how my share. Bet me say baby ye gina na wa na ye gina. Baby a talent a wa a difference bia be mu de na ye no 20 years back no. Wa na ye wo.
Wow.
Yeah. And there are other one or two. But some kai movie no.
How narrate here be when na wo mu.
Maybe na Sly wo.
Oh, okay.
Sly wo movie no.
Okay.
Maybe
And the episode ni be na say feature film ankasa.
na feature film.
Okay.
Sly wo I think that Robert wo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. A movie no was slow.
Mutrani
I'm not going to like with the angles and any you know na movie no it was slow. I mean me person me producer and na say director and me say me yeah it didn't come. Yeah. And but do na excuse me to say what form no adults.
Advice ben adbe more for now, especially the actors and the producers. Advice ben our the more.
Best start with producers and the directors.
Okay.
Producers and directors. Yeah, Jumana mpacho emayen rush.
Yeah.
Emayen rush. Say a penny never say nya the good results na. Emayen rush. Yan tuyable.
Yeah.
Say character no also hia character no. Not the pressure basis so I don't mean you so no. Open ye me boa. The character be more pressure. Say maybe 2 days, maybe 3 days no. Men you soon pakro. Or for there obetie o. When your time, obenya time na ma. Oh, na we twase no. One na nka sika obeje o.
Yeah.
Oh, me free here 2 days, 3 days, ma go twa obi movie. Catch say that be. Me dey me nya ni sa. Sa 3, 4, 5 days now person call kabum. Metua ma.
Metua. Nenya time.
Nenya time man masini no na muntwa.
Yeah.
2 directors any producers mo yen sua de. Yeah, mo yen sua de. General cut say no. We have to improve upon it. So what I say, yeah, yen call for omo say omo hwe go for omo hwe movies no. Omo kasa. So what I say more na timi ehun say ade we nye. And yes, omo kasa say in a bad way o. Omo they are critics. Yeah. They will tell you say ade we hwe ye say. So what I say, yeah, they are omo 2 years for my NTA. Omo na area it no be sa hwe. Yeah. So what I say, ti yensu ade a ebema sometimes omo hwe omo nya sa asem no enka. Omo hwe you because yes anyway efe. So what I say, and then the producers ne directors no. Now with the characters and I say with the actors no. Yenjai media me be say me be 2 days or so. Ma be 3 days. Eno me say samajeti so. Me say some is it some sorry Agya Koo sorry Agya Koo me tene so am sorry Likee me te Likee so am sorry. You get it? Yeah. These are the 2 and castle. Yeah. These are the 3 nkofo make say experience amenya omumu a chale. Me ka che omo say sini no ye ntwa ni 2 days ye ntwa ni 3 days ye ntwa ni 1 week. Ye ntwa ni 12 days. Oh, okay. 12 days ne kwa no bibi ba mu na say me frɛ na say obeya me say you have to come back and shoot it. Yeah. You get it? Yeah. Ahen ena mo beje, ahen ena yenye ni saying, yeah, ba, oh, that can any pakonin say these people were like, director, we got you. And it's true. Like you ba settings, like in tune to da.
Wow, it's so weird.
Until say we the same thing to Agya Koo and the same thing to Kasum. So what I say, eh kasa. Yeah. Into characters are on pressure. That was set so. You get it? This is the time. So mupe say mupe here. This is the time we have to do it well. I say mujai sa ade no. Yeah. So what I say. And I say directors and directors and producers, we have to do something. I say start signing contract with these people.
Sign a contract with it.
With the characters. Oh yeah. We have to start doing that.
So Obabe you Jumano and I say contract say.
Say right now no, I say ye nim ye ho. Ye nam before. So what I say because say yen fan say me fa phone na me first thing. So what I say, Sting, Charlie, me by production bi o. But you say o ye so ye say ma me sign no script no. Oh okay. That's just the conversation you guys will. But Obeba set no so no, right? We say no account just that time they might be 2 and 3 2 days. So what I say, esa what say me production what say bia. Me no be can but once why you we me can say why you schedule say we with somebody else.
Yeah.
Do you get it? So I have to sit down with you and talk about it. Say any idea so we try the then you depend see people so. 12 days you try there. Yeah.
And only contract now.
A contract.
Okay.
We have to start doing that. It say you na so offer you kwa what semi production. Maybe I'm pay me till the
So what's the agreement?
What's an agreement? But you make want to message. So there's something that we have to also take a look at. I see who says I no money na.
And then get the assembly mum.
No, I say assembly they say the say a penny year.
Yeah,
a penny year. Say in Paconos agreement no say verbal agreement ni be year juma. Fine. I have no problem with it. But we shouldn't say Pacon be hard you for people and say so. What I say. Yeah.
Well, any director OA or some executive producer. And I was one director what
Yeah, I'm director.
Fantastic. Your premiere movie no Agya Koo City Mall, Golden Eagles Cinema. Saturday, time near saying.
Time by 7. 6:30 red carpet. By 7 na you show movie no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, by 7 it will be around I said about 5 because characters no will be available at that time.
Okay. So all the stars are coming. You will try be the one try be Obia Eba. And they share Kojon Kasala when no on can be but what say or premium as Obabe support a good cause because when we say a Juma Papa na why there why and into premiere there on so bad name nyam Ababe Taiche it Obiamra Saturday baby I will be come to Kumasi City Mall then I will come
after Kumasi no there quite a crowd
Asakoya another premiere
after Kumasi the other Saturday which is on the 5th of July.
Okay.
Accra.
Okay.
And after Accra, Accra Day.
Oh, okay.
That's on the 12th of July.
Wow.
Yeah. So you person will be any chef.
Fantastic. You do ana you dey to your diary na ya try say be deal chain ya kohwe dey be cost e wo ho nyina. So wo bibia wo be ka e dey actually Ghana for so far as movies are concerned.
Okay. Ghana for where the kakra person me can say where they miss where me say me de start to say yem. Se me bunko to James so se me bunko Ghana for me pamucho. Me pamucho. Mama yen support made in Ghana goods.
Wow.
Mama yen support made in Ghana mechanic say art. Anything that concerns Ghana me semo. Where they me send to inside yem. Me bunko to James. Me pamucho. Because say you cook robi so director unkonya any other country product also me my example Nigeria me my example South Africa I've been there so what I say omo ye no 80-20 90-10 or there krono so there no kwa omo nye it Ghana for where them semo kakra we will get there some ye na some man patronize then same bebre ebu ya bem so what I say ye no so amoka no na ye den ye koye nim ti me sremo Ghana for we dey ye den sa etu nsayem pacho mma ye patronize made in Ghana bibia fa Ghana ho bi bia me sremo mma ye den yembo
Wow. Where the Kotojogu form and sad as I am, my pacho, pa, my kind of Kenya. So, director, Saturday, Moja Bomba supported. Na yenye Ghana, yen supported Ghana, so made in BBA made in Ghana, yen supported na Amboama Ghana, so intimate and conenim. Bibi Obiwa Obekaka Juana, yen sorry so.
Medankophobia, I say medankophobia.
Don't must say, share, I said that appreciation.
So, to say the American, you shoot a movie, no, Meda nkophobia or my support with the premier, no, or mona airboa, I may push here, there, no, what I say, Hands of Hope, Hands of Hope omo US.
Okay.
Meda Obatampa Meda wase Charlie
Okay.
aye bibia meda wase pa oye meka say oyo ni din Obatampa no enye kwa.
Wow.
Anytime you call upon this lady,
About you.
obet like she's there 24/7.
Wow.
What I say?
Wow.
Wada na say me. Enya me nko a like nkofo efre na. You know, she will be there.
Wow.
Nana meda wase. Nyame din me kan say nyame din da wase.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Ena meda Starlight Promotions.
Okay.
Starlight Promotion governor. Meda wase. Meda wase pa say me tone say na say ye kan ya dwun bom say ye nyesa de way. You were there, you decided to support. Thank you very much. Ena meda US for omo a eja moda ho ana ya frɛ mo say ye hia we. Ghana for Charlie, yeah, the we be say the love, the support is so
massive,
like
massive.
me who the men can it's
Massive.
massive. The support is why it's meda we be as.
All right. Yes, yeah, there will be as Saturday. Yes, yeah, Kumasi City Mall, Golden Girl Cinema. Na yakoshe the movie titled Libo. Na tickets is we pay tickets is here.
What can I say?
Obenyano he tickets.
Yeah, so tickets no oko more ho. Tickets oko more ho. Obenya bi wo more ho.
Okay.
Yeah, oko Takrade Akoma Plaza and so
Okay.
Obenya bi Akoma Plaza. Akran so oko Snap Cinema.
Okay.
Obenya bi. But so obeso otena wo fie na wo to a star 713 33 hash 89 no man can ye star
over phone one so pen so no can you
wait the metra
okay.
star 713 star 33 star 89 hash.
Okay.
Star 713 star 33 star 89 hash. Pacho o boss a code way a obenya ticket no so ba kon ye 100 cedis.
Oh, you say that.
Yeah. And a couple ye 180.
Because of say movie, you know, a very powerful and educative movie. Enti brand ebe shebi na osha obesua bebre edi efrem. Me name the Fresh Boy Papa J. Aha Poleeno Multimedia. Password and a handle camera a direct edit bibi and me producer Stain Boga Stain. On organize bibi actually edi my also actor or Jinidi or Ghana hapa. Nyame shi obi a ye kwa kwhwere label Saturday e wo Kumasi City Mall. Bye bye.
Bye.